we're going to be hearing the Girod clock strike 12. Somebody requested we do so. So, yeah. We're going to be hearing it on Westminster. It actually has one other chime. It's bells of Jara. It's the other one. But we're going to be hearing it on Westminster. So it's going to chime in just less than a minute. It's an antique clock. You also might notice the pendulum was kind of weird because it actually needed a new, the suspension spring actually broke on this, so we now have a new one. And it works perfect. But then the pendulum ball broke, so yeah. Yeah, the suspension spring broke, so. And here we go. Alright, there we go. That's the Girod clock striking 12. So, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.